Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, and today we just want to cover one tool that most people don't actually know how to use. They think it's just there to look at and just browse, but it's a tool you actually need when you are trying to make informed decisions within the crypto space. If you are a retail investor mostly, information is key in this field. So if you don't have that information, you can't be ahead of us. See our logo, stay ahead of the crowd. Today is one of many to come during the course of the current bull market to give you guys an idea of how to utilize some of these tools. And here I'm talking of not something that you pay for or complicated. I'm talking of DeFi Llama. How can you use DeFi Llama to your advantage, and how to use some of the metrics that are presented on DeFi Llama to your advantage so that you stay ahead of the crowd. But before I jump into today's subject matter, guys, please know that I am not a financial advisor. The information contained within this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. And if you are from the UK, this content is not ideal for UK audiences. Why? The UK authorities are trying to protect you in case you end up losing your funds. After all, you are only supposed to invest what you are prepared to lose within the crypto space. If you can't afford that, then you should not be investing. That applies to everybody. If you are from the rest of the world, guys, welcome to Sage5.tv, a channel that is making it its life purpose to try and give you educational content that will help you make your own decisions independently, instead of having someone to hold your hand or relying on moon boys that lead you being wrecked in the future. You end up losing all your funds because the moon boy you follow, they don't have morals, they rag on you, they dump on you, and I think you deserve it because you're following the wrong people. You want education? Sage5.tv is the place to be. So if you are here already, stay put, grab your drink and relax and absorb what I'm about to share with you. One tool, there will be many, but this tool we are going to explain how you can look at DeFi Llama, look at the different metrics, how do you utilize them to your advantage so that you stay ahead of the crowd. So what is DeFi Llama to start with? DeFi Llama is a leading platform that aggregates data and analytics on decentralized finance or DeFi protocols across various blockchains. It provides crucial metrics such as total value logged or TVL, protocol revenues, trading volumes, and much more, which are essential for investors looking to make informed decisions within the DeFi space. So here are the key features that you need to concentrate on from DeFi Llama and how you're going to use them to win, of course. So TVL, which is total value logged. TVL represents the total amount of assets deposited in a DeFi protocol or across a blockchain. It's a key factor or key indicator of the protocol's popularity and trustworthiness. Okay, that's what TVL is representing. And how do you use that? Investors can monitor TVL to assess the growth or decline of a specific protocol or entire ecosystem. A rising TVL generally indicates increased user adoption and confidence in a platform. So if a platform or protocol has got rising TVL but the price is not following, then for me, rule of thumb, I'll probably, if that other stuff matches up, I'll probably look at putting some of my funds into it because price will eventually catch up if TVL is rising. Okay, you need to be aware of that. Not always, but my rule of thumb, that's what I would do. Conversely, a declining TVL might signal issues with the protocol or broader market concerns, or people just losing interest. So if you are a swing trader, that might be a tool that will be ideal for you. Okay, that's how you use TVL. For example, if you observe a protocol like Aave with consistently increasing TVL, it may suggest growing trust and usage, making it a potential investment opportunity. Okay, that's how we use TVL and DeFi Llama. Then we also have protocol rankings. Protocol rankings provide a list of DeFi protocols ordered by various metrics such as TVL, fees generated, revenue, and much more. How do you use protocol rankings? Well, by examining the rankings, investors can identify the protocols that are leading in terms of user adoption and financial metrics. This can be useful for spotting leading projects within specific categories like lending, staking, or decentralized exchanges. For example, identifying top protocols in emerging categories such as liquid staking or restaking can provide early investment opportunities before they become mainstream. So that's how you use protocol ranking. This is just an example, of course. The third feature is revenue and fees analysis. How do you use that? Revenues and fees show how much income a protocol is generating from its users. This data helps in understanding the sustainability and profitability of a project. Now, some projects might be huge or they are big blockchain networks and ecosystems, but if they are not generating any fees, then we've got a problem. How do you use high revenues and fees? Well, high revenue and fees indicate stronger user engagement and can be a sign of a protocol's long-term viability. Investors can compare revenues across different protocols to find the most profitable and potentially undervalued investment. So if you can do that, if you do it logically, of course, you can find potential investment. So for example, a protocol like Lido that generates significant fees from liquid staking might be considered a good investment investment if the revenues are steadily increasing and the price is not matching up or following the increased revenue. So that's something to consider. That's how you use revenue and fees analysis. The fourth feature is volume and trading metrics. Trading volume indicates the total value of assets exchanged within a protocol. It is a sign of liquidity and user activity. How do you use trading volumes and trading metrics to your advantage? High trading volumes typically suggest that a protocol is widely used and liquid, which are positive indicators for investors. Additionally, spikes in trading volume can precede price movement, offering a potential trading opportunity. So, for example, if you monitor trading volumes on a DEX or decentralized exchange, that can help you as an investor to identify trends and potential breakout tokens. So that is how you use trading volumes and trading metrics. You can also compare chains using DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama allows users to compare data across different blockchains such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Solana. How do you use these comparisons to your advantage? This feature is useful for evaluating the health and growth of entire ecosystems. For example, an investor might compare TVL growth between Ethereum and a newer blockchain like Solana to gauge where capital is flowing. So if you find that TVL is increasing on Solana, that might suggest that capital is now flowing to Solana, and if Ethereum is losing, even better, because it tells Ethereum is losing market share to Solana. So you may want to jump into Solana, for example. That's an example. It's not financial advice. The number 6 feature, stable coins and liquidity. It's a metric you can also get data and information via DeFi Llama. Stablecoin market capitalization and liquidity are essential for understanding the overall stability and liquidity in the DeFi ecosystem. How do you use stablecoins and liquidity as factors you can use to inform your investment decision? Investors can use stablecoin data to gauge market sentiment and liquidity. A rise in stablecoin use might indicate that users are seeking stability in volatile markets, while a decline could suggest a move into risky assets. So monitoring stablecoins might actually help you make an informed decision. So for example, during market downturns, observing stablecoin influx can signal when to shift to stable investments or prepare for potential buy opportunities in the broader markets. The final feature we are going to look at as far as DeFi Llama is concerned is Bridged TVL. What do we mean by that? Bridged TVL shows the value of assets moved from one blockchain to another, usually via cross-chain bridges. You're talking of your Axla, you're talking of your Wemo, you're talking of your Layer 0. How do you use this metric? Monitoring Bridged TVL can provide insights into which blockchains are attracting more capital, whatever reasons. It might be farming season or potential airdrop, thereby indicating where potential growth is happening. So let's take as an example a significant increase in Bridged TVL to a new blockchain like Avalanche or Near Protocol or even Solana might indicate or signal that there are emerging opportunities on Solana or Avalanche, for example. So in conclusion, why am I saying that these features that we just looked at, you can use them as methods to help you make better decisions? So by focusing on TVL, protocol rankings, revenues and fees, trading volume and chain comparisons, as an investor you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the health, adoption and potential of various DeFi protocols and blockchain. The metrics we just looked at in this video, they offer a combination of fundamental and technical insights which can be used to make well-informed investment decisions. So it's not just about the technical analysis and that's it. You also need to take this information we just talked about, and DeFi Llama is just one protocol, one platform. There are many others, but here, this is how you use DeFi Llama, and accessing this data of DeFi Llama, it's all free. The features we just looked at today. What I want to know from you is, what tools are you using? Have you used DeFi Llama in any of the ways we just defined or described in this video? Let us know in the comment section, guys. Any other tools you think we should be looking at that you want us to research on and share back with you guys? Let us know again in the comment section. Until the next one, I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.